In this video, I'm going to explain one of the most important and tricky concept in JavaScript, which is closure. So don't worry, I will explain it super simply. What is it, how it works, and why it is used in real projects. So basically, closure is equal to inner function plus outer scope. If you remember it as a inner function plus outer scope. What is inner function and outer scope? Whatever the thing is defined outside of the inner function is the outer scope. If you want to remember it as a variable, then it is also fine. Variables. So what is closure? Closure is equal to function plus its outer scope, if you want to remember in this way. So now coming to the arrow versus regular function. If closure works with arrow function or not, or regular function or not. Yeah, it closure works the same for both arrow and regular functions. I have a code snippet ready. Let me show you that. Okay, here you can see this is the outer function, and this is the regular function, and this is the arrow function. If you see, it still remembers the count variable, and that's why the arrow is printing the count is equal to 2, as it remembers as it remembers its previous value. So that's the thing. So where it is used and why we learn closures because they are used everywhere, even we don't realize it, but it is used in everywhere. And if you heard of react hooks, like when you state remembers the value between renders, when you change the state in react, when the component tree is re-rendering, then it still remembers the value, what is the previous thing we are. It is what if we will use the counter variable there also, it is still remembering count 0 1 2, it is still remembering in that. And in event listener also, in button clicks, remembering the variables, whatever the variables we have provided, still after re-rendering it still remember the event listeners. So in async code also say timeout, data privacy, debouncing, memoization, everything. Because closure lets us reserve data, protect variables, and manage state, which is the foundation of the modern JavaScript framework like React.js and Node.js. So that's it. That's a quick breakdown. Closure is equal to inner plus outer scope that remembers the variable, works in both regular and arrow functions, and it is used in everywhere behind the scenes, from hooks to async tasks. If you found this simple, hit the like and subscribe. I will bring more real world JS videos like this. Thank you.